You have tried everything to lose weight. You meticulously counted every calorie you consumed. You dutifully followed the restrictive rules of the latest diet trend. You felt the gnawing pangs of hunger and told yourself it was the price of progress. For a while, the numbers on the scale went down, giving you a fleeting sense of victory and control. But then, inevitably, life happened. The weight crept back, often bringing a few extra pounds with it for good measure. This exhausting cycle is incredibly common. In fact, a staggering 95% of diets are destined to fail in the long run. It is a story so familiar that it feels like a universal truth of modern life. This repeated failure is not a sign of personal weakness. It is not because you lack discipline or the necessary willpower to succeed. You have been told that if you just tried harder, you could conquer your cravings and achieve your ideal body weight. This narrative is not only unhelpful, it is fundamentally wrong. The real reason so many of us struggle is because we have been fighting the wrong battle entirely. We have been focused on a simplistic and outdated model of weight loss, one that ignores a vast and powerful system hidden deep within our own bodies. The answer isn't about starving yourself into submission, it's about understanding and nourishing your inner world. The true culprit, the missing piece of the puzzle that has been overlooked for decades, resides within your gut. Inside your intestines lives a bustling, complex community of trillions of microorganisms. This community, known as your gut microbiome, is like a hidden organ that influences virtually every aspect of your health, from your mood to your immune system. And most importantly for this discussion, it plays a pivotal role in how your body manages energy, processes food, stores fat. The diversity and health of these tiny allies are far more critical to sustainable weight management than the sheer force of your will. It is time to shift our focus from deprivation to cultivation. The problem with most conventional diets is that they inadvertently wage war on this vital inner ecosystem. By severely restricting calories or cutting out entire food groups, these diets starve not just you, but also the beneficial microbes that depend on a varied diet to thrive. Imagine your gut as a lush, vibrant garden. A healthy, thriving garden is not filled with a single type of plant. It is a diverse ecosystem with a wide variety of flowers, shrubs, trees. Each plant contributes something unique to the soil, making the garden more resilient to disease and drought. Your gut microbiome operates on a very similar principle. A rich and diverse community of different bacterial species is the hallmark of a healthy gut. This diversity makes your internal ecosystem robust and resilient, capable of supporting your overall well-being and maintaining a healthy weight long-term. The new scientific breakthrough is elegantly simple. We must feed our gut bacteria. These microbes are active participants in digestion, not passive bystanders. They feast on parts of food our bodies cannot break down, primarily dietary fiber. When bacteria consume fiber, they don't just digest it, they ferment it. Fermentation releases beneficial compounds, most notably short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs. SCFAs are gut health superstars, powerful messengers that influence your metabolism and health. Beyond fiber, plant compounds called polyphenols are critical. Polyphenols give plants their vibrant colors, deep red berries, rich green tea leaves. Many polyphenols feed our gut microbes. When we eat them, especially from fermented sources like kimchi yogurt, gut bacteria modify them, unlocking greater benefits. These compounds nurture specific beneficial bacteria, enhancing microbiome diversity and creating an environment less prone to inflammation and more conducive to a lean metabolism. This understanding reframes weight loss. It shifts focus away from calories in, calories out, toward a sophisticated, holistic approach. It's not just how much you eat, but what you feed the trillions of organisms in you. So, how do you begin to cultivate this flourishing inner garden? The wonderful news is that it does not require expensive supplements or exotic ingredients. The best foods for your microbiome are likely already familiar to you, and they can be found in any grocery store. The first and simplest rule is to embrace plant skins. The peel of an apple, the skin of a cucumber, the delicate outer layer of a new potato, these are not just packaging. They are concentrated sources of fiber and polyphenols, the very nutrients your good gut bacteria crave. By choosing to eat the whole, unpeeled fruit or vegetable, you are providing a direct and powerful meal for your microbial allies. Next, make a conscious effort to eat a wide variety of whole fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Each color represents a different family of phytonutrients and polyphenols. Each one feeds a different set of beneficial microbes. Red berries, orange carrots, yellow bell peppers, green spinach, purple cabbage, all contribute to a more diverse and resilient gut community. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, they are packed with a special type of fiber that feeds bacteria producing short-chain fatty acids. Those fatty acids help regulate appetite and reduce inflammation. Incorporate fermented foods into your daily routine. A great place to start is with your breakfast. Instead of a sugary cereal or a plain piece of toast, try a bowl of plain unsweetened yogurt or kefir. Top it with high-fiber oats, chia seeds, flax seeds, fresh berries, assembled yogurt bowl. This simple meal provides probiotics from the yogurt, diverse fibers from the oats, and seeds and polyphenols from the berries, setting your microbiome up for a successful day. For your main meals, think about the composition of your plate. Aim to fill at least half with a wide variety of colorful vegetables. Include a portion of lean protein. Brown rice, quinoa beans, lentils. A simple and powerful lunch could be a large mixed salad. Add shredded carrots, sliced cucumbers, skin on, bell peppers, tomatoes, chickpeas, black beans. For dinner, try a piece of grilled fish with a side of roasted broccoli and a serving of wild rice. As a finishing touch, add a small side of sauerkraut or kimchi. For example, if you typically have fruit juice in the morning, swap it for a whole piece of fruit. Instead of white bread, choose whole grain bread or sourdough. When you're craving a snack, reach for an apple, skin on, or a pear, skin on, or a small handful of mixed nuts instead of a bag of chips or a cookie. The connection between your gut microbes and your body weight is not magic. It is based on clear biological mechanisms. The most fundamental mechanism involves diversity. A gut microbiome with a wide range of different species is like a well-staffed, highly skilled workforce. Each type of microbe has a specific job, and together they maintain a healthy balance. This diversity helps prevent the overgrowth of less helpful or even harmful bacteria that can contribute to inflammation and metabolic problems. One of the most important products of this microbial workforce is short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. When your gut bacteria ferment fiber, they produce SCFAs like butyrate propionate acetate. These molecules are absorbed into your bloodstream and travel throughout your body, acting as powerful signaling agents. Butyrate, for example, is the primary fuel source for the cells lining your colon, helping to maintain a strong and healthy gut barrier. SCFAs also play a direct role in improving your body's insulin response. This leads to more stable energy levels, fewer sugar cravings, and a reduced tendency to store fat. Finally, your gut microbes have a direct line of communication to your brain, which influences your appetite and satiety. For decades, the dominant weight loss narrative has revolved around a single, seemingly logical principle: calories in versus calories out. This has led to the rise of countless low-calorie diets and a culture of starvation mode. While calories certainly matter, focusing on them exclusively is a deeply flawed and unsustainable strategy. When you drastically cut calories, your body goes into a state of perceived famine. In response, it activates powerful survival mechanisms. Your metabolism slows down to conserve energy, meaning you burn fewer calories at rest. Your body also ramps up the production of hunger hormones, making you feel ravenous and obsessed with food. This is a biological response, not a failure of willpower. Furthermore, these low-calorie restrictive diets are often disastrous for your gut microbiome. The remaining microbes may be the ones that are better at extracting every last calorie from your food and signaling your body to store it as fat, leading to rapid weight regain. The truth is, not all calories are created equal. 100 calories from a handful of almonds have a vastly different effect on your body than 100 calories from a sugary drink. The almonds come with fiber, protein, and healthy fats that feed your gut microbes, promote satiety, and support a stable blood sugar response. The sugary drink provides a rush of simple sugar that spikes your insulin, provides no nutrients for your microbes, and can contribute to inflammation and fat storage. Focusing on the quality and composition of your food, choosing items that nourish your microbiome, is far more effective for long-term health and weight management than obsessing over the calorie count alone. Adopting a gut-friendly lifestyle does not mean you have to overhaul your entire life overnight, you know. The most sustainable changes are gradual and built upon small, manageable habits. Try to avoid eating large, heavy meals late at night. Giving your gut a rest period of about 12 hours overnight can be beneficial. Furthermore, take time to chew your food thoroughly. Digestion begins in the mouth, and chewing well breaks down food into smaller particles, making it easier for your gut and its microbes to do their jobs effectively. These are not rigid rules, but gentle guidelines to help you build a healthier relationship with food and your body. So, let's make it, incredibly simple. Your call to action today is not to start a diet. It is to perform one small, positive act of cultivation for your inner ecosystem. Embarking on this journey to reshape your gut microbiome is not a race. It is a gradual process of cultivation. Unlike the dramatic, rapid weight loss promised by fad diets, the changes you will experience by nourishing your gut are more subtle, steady, and most importantly, sustainable. You are not just trying to lose weight. You are fundamentally rebuilding your body's internal environment. Instead, pay attention to other, more meaningful signs of progress. You might notice that you have more stable energy, cravings diminish, less bloated. Remember that this is a long-term strategy, not a short-term fix. There will be days when you eat a piece of cake or enjoy a pizza with friends. This is not a failure. It is a normal part of a balanced and joyful life. The goal is not perfection, but progression. As long as you consistently make choices that feed your beneficial microbes most of the time, your gut ecosystem will become more resilient. Over time, your gut becomes your most powerful partner in health. It helps you burn fat more steadily. It keeps your appetite in check. It helps you maintain your ideal weight for good. You have learned that the key to lasting weight loss isn't about more willpower or stricter rules. It's about a fundamental shift in perspective. It's about understanding that your body is not a machine to be controlled by calorie deficits, but a complex ecosystem to be nurtured. The power to change your metabolism, manage your weight, improve your overall health lies within your gut. This entire philosophy can be distilled into one core promise: feed your gut, lose the weight, for good. Your call to action today is not to start a diet. It is to perform one small, positive act of cultivation for your inner ecosystem. Today, make a conscious choice to eat one piece of whole fruit with its skin still on. It could be an apple, a pear, or a handful of berries. Do not do anything else differently. Just add this one simple, fiber-rich, polyphenol-packed item to your day. Then, tomorrow, do it again. Commit to this single, easy swap for the next 2 weeks. Notice how it feels. This tiny action is the first seed you plant in your new garden. It is the first step on your journey to lasting change. If you find this video helpful, like, share with friends and families, and subscribe. See you on the next video.